Hi all. Now I am going to discuss about one topic. If you are practicing traditional Chinese medicine, so it's very important to know the difference between the full heat and the empty heat. When there will be yin deficiency in our body, in the second image you can see the yin is deficient here, but yang is it in normal range. So if yin is deficient in the body for the chronic period, chronic means more than 2 or 3 months, it leads to the empty heat, means body will show that there is heat in the body, but it is not the real heat because yang is normal. When there will be rise in yang, okay, not much deficient of yin, but the yang is raised above the normal range, then we can say it is excess of yang. So it is a case of yang excess, means full heat. So in this condition, in the condition number 1, we have to reduce the heat from the body. We have to remove the heat from the body. So our treatment will be accordingly. And in the case of second one, we have to nourish the yin. We have to boost the yin. We have to tone the yin. So hopefully in these two cases you are clear what to do. In this one, in the first one, we have to reduce the yang. In the second case, we have to boost the yin. If we are reducing yang in second case, it will lead to further problem. So how to diagnose whether it is the deficiency of yin or the excess of yang, means whether it is full heat or empty heat, we can easily identify it by diagnosing tongue. So how to diagnose the tongue, that I am going to explain. See, these are the tongue with empty heat example. How you will diagnose empty heat? In empty heat case, the tongue will be red without coating or partially coating. In this you can see coating, white color, but it is without root, means if the person will use tongue cleaner once, it will remove. So it may be there. Partially coating means there will be slight here and there coating, so no issue in that. You have to see whether the major portion of the tongue have coating or not. Okay. So in this case, in the case of empty heat, the tongue color will be red, okay, with no coating or the partially coating, okay. But in the case of full heat, I am showing the tongue of that too. In the case of full heat, the tongue will be red with normal coating or the yellow color coating. You can see the coating how it's equally distributed in both tongue, and with this there will be yellow coating on the tongue surface. So I told you about both the processes, how to find out the full heat and empty heat by seeing the tongue. If you want me to explain any of the topic in traditional Chinese medicine, please comment us and give your valuable feedback to us so that we can bring much more valuable content for you. Thank you.